All right, what's up, guys? Evan Aldo here. So, not too much has changed. Just a quick TA update right here. Not too much has changed since this morning, or really since yesterday. We've gone down as predicted. Your 6 day blood diamond, your weekly's got a blood diamond too. I'm on the Brave New Coin chart so I can just show you all the way back. Last time this happened, August 2018, when we were hit the bottom. Depressing. What is that? 5 months later, 4 or 5 months later, about 4 months later, I think. I hope we hit the bottom quicker here. 4 days to confirm, so I'll probably confirm. We're in the red here, just like we were in the red this time, and 2014 bear market too. You didn't have the blood diamond back here, but basically, I mean, look at that. Look at right here. I just want to show you this level on the 6 day. If we continue downward, this is a little bit of guesstimation or whatever. January, I think it'll go quicker than that. Maybe something like August, maybe August. I almost think earlier. I almost think within the next month we could really see that big capitulation downward a little bit faster. Because if you look at the money flow level, like it was right here, and then kind of where we are right now. You see the dotted line right here, and then you went down relatively quickly. A couple weeks after that, I would say. And the same type of deal right here. Gonna have to really go back and really loosen up how things were. See, well, what was the time period from this general area? October 14 to December 14th. Okay, so about 2 months. 2 months the most. I think a month or two, we're going to see a verdict here. I think either next month by the end of May or in June. That's what I think. Sure, it could go on till August or whatever, but I think we're going to see a verdict. We're going to see probably a capitulation or something here, or by some miracle, these blood diamonds will go away and we'll continue forward. It doesn't look very likely. Looks very similar to our bear market back in 2018. Looks like we're really entering the bear market here and we're going to bottom out. The good news is that huge buying opportunity probably coming up relatively quickly. That's what I'm thinking. So, what have I been doing? I'm just mainly, been adding to my shorts. Had the long the other day, a day long that hit its first take profit, I believe, and then got stopped out in profit. That was another one in the exclusive Discord. If you guys are interested in some of my actual entry points, stop losses, take profits, link in the description below with some of my exclusive TA as well. It's through Patreon. It's not right 100% of the time, but we've had some really, really good trades. Your 5 day, you're coming up the money flow, but trigger wave, red dot downward. Nothing really looks promising right now. I mean, it looks really bad. Your only little bullish hope left is probably the 2 day coming up with the money flow and your VWAP's curving up, but this is the only time frame that looks okay. It's probably just a fluke. Your daily is generally coming up with money flow, but you're back in the red here. I wouldn't give much hope to it. We just came up too quickly here. See this green? We almost got to the top where we were, back here. We were at almost this level over here at our tippity tops. It's just too much. We came up just too quick with the money flow here. That was the issue. It wasn't sustainable. And your 12-hour money flow is still coming out. You do have, that's a little bit of the bullish hope, snake eyes, but I wouldn't bet too much on it. I would not bet too much on it. I mean, and you're getting manipulation X's or yellow X's here on your 8-hour. Last time this happened, bam. If we repeat a similar situation like this, 10% downward, right to our spiral line right there, right to the next spiral line. And this is a really important spiral line right here. This is kind of our macro bull market. I mean, I'd still say we're in a mini bear market because we haven't lost this point. This is just a major, major point. And you could look even back, July of 2021, June of 2021, double bottom off of that. I think if we close a daily candle below this, you're going down to mid to low 20s, I would say. If you're able to somehow hold this level, and this is kind of the bullish hope, you come to this level, you're definitely going to get at least a scalp long off of this, a 99% chance something off of this. If we do somehow hold this level, triple bottom, you could continue forward from there. Inflation could be your friend here, but I'm just not seeing it. I think we're probably going to, based on the blood diamonds on the high time frames, I think we're going to lose it relatively soon. We've been sideways for a while, where there's going to be an outcome pretty soon here, whether we're going to break up or break down. And it looks most likely like we're going to break down. That's what I would say. In terms of your lower time frames, pretty neutral right now, kind of choppy. Your hourly, just very choppy. I generally don't see any reason to believe that, we'll come up too much here. Some good curvature on your 10 minute, your 15 minute, doesn't mean much. Maybe you'll come up to, 40, test 40.4K again, then continue downward. That's what it looks most likely, at least in my opinion at the moment. And right now for Ethereum, blood diamond on your 6 hour. How's your weekly on Ethereum? So we haven't had the weekly red dot or blood diamond yet. Still haven't even had the 5 day. So Ethereum's a little bit more promising, but then when you look at, how in this right here, I want to show you the 4 day again. I mean, this is almost like you're so due for the money flow to just go deep. You know what I mean? Kind of like 2018. This is a good place to look. I mean, if we do just go deep with money flow here, and it happened relatively quickly from at this point, from August to September of 2018. See how far that you were getting close to your bottom there. You're getting close to the bottom. If we do just drop down, month or 2 months for our bottom, so massive buying opportunity wherever that may be. 16, 1700, 1800, big places to look. Kind of the lowest I could see it going is 13, maybe high 1300s, 1400, this area. Probably the lowest I could see it going. I don't think Ethereum's going to go any lower than that. That's what I will say. And your 8 hour, or excuse me, your 8 hour daily, excuse me. This is kind of your bullish hope a little bit, because the VWAP is coming up. It's been below zero line for a while. Your money flow is still in the red, green here, so pretty slim, but there would be a possibility to come up based on that. 12 hour looks overheated, like we want to come down. 8 hour looks awful here. 6 hour blood diamond, this is just textbook. I mean, if you're just, in terms of a trading standpoint, if you just use good risk management and go short every time you have situations like blood diamonds like this in the 6 hour, I mean, there's no guarantees ever in life, but there's a very, very high probability, as long as you use good risk management, that you will win the majority of those trades and make money. As long as also you know where to take profits, and if you need some help with that, I have a great course. I'll link in the description below. Nice opportunity to show the course there. There's a sale still going on right now, so check that out. It's a good course for beginners. A lot of people have really liked it, so check that out. Risk management, trading psychology, everything you need to know theoretically. I think it's, especially for somebody new at this, I think it's going to save you a lot of headaches. But that's just my 2 cents. I mean, I made the course. Of course, I'm going to say it's good. But yeah, so, there is a little bit of momentum waves coming up here on your hourly. Little tiny bit of hope. With your blood diamonds here, when does this confirm? 2 hours. I think it most likely will confirm. I'm not seeing too much of a reason to go long at all here. I think in all likelihood, I mean, let's just see the last time we had a blood diamond under 6 hour, right here. So just if we repeat, it came down lower after the little relief there, but 12%, if we just repeat that 12%, you're already down to, 2,700 easily, would be down to that spiral line right there. So yeah, something to look at. Unfortunately, the market hasn't been looking good the past few days. Some people disagree with me. I'm being as objective, as I could be right now. I think it'll be a huge buying opportunity in a few months if you just hold steady. I think the numbers, 23, 24K. It'd be a 24K would be a 50% correction from, our local high at where was it, 48K up here. That would make sense, a 50% correction down to 24K, and that would be enough to really scare enough people away, and it would give us a nice leg up for probably a 2023 rally. I mean, if you look at 2023, how you would look at 2019, where, let's go on, 2019 was a nice rally. If we repeat something like this after we bottom out, so this was after it was bottomed out here, from December to June, that was a nice 6-month rally, and we could have a nice rally into the end of the year. If we bottom out in a month or two, 24K, we could rally up to probably 56. I don't think you'll get to all-time highs, but probably 50K, maybe even 60K by the end of the year or early 2023, you have repeat that nice little rally there. That's definitely a big possibility. So theoretically, you could get, you know, a 2x with Bitcoin, probably even more with Ethereum. Never financial advice, but yeah, these blood diamonds typically don't lie. Confirms in 4 days. I will keep you guys updated. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. That means a lot. And as I mentioned, my course down below, link in description. It's helped a lot of people out. A lot of people really liked it, so check that out. My exclusive Discord, some of my entry points, stop losses, take profits, exclusive TA on mainly crypto, a little bit of stocks too. Link in description below. It's your Patreon. If you want to do a one-on-one session with me, link in description below. If you want to get Market Cipher, it's the indicator that I've always used and love. Link in description below with my discount code down below as well. If you want to get BITGET or FEMEX, want to try some leverage trading, if you're an experienced trader, link in description below. Use my links in the description below to get my bonuses. There's some good bonuses going on right now, so check that out. All right, guys, hope you have a good one. Goodbye.